Hi, fifth graders. Today we will learn about order of operation. Do you guys know what Pemdas is? No, this is pretty new to most of you guys. It should be new to you guys. So have you guys heard of Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally? No, it's pretty new. Okay, I'm gonna start off by watching a video to get you guys familiar to the concept. These are other students who are also learning what Pemdas is.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It looks hard, but it's easy. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Hey, the order operation can be easy. Just please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I know it sounds bad and it's cheesy. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now you know the components, parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, that's next. Now we're on our way. There's one part that we forgot. We have to add and subtract. I hope my answer's correct. This is so easy. Parentheses, exponents in that order. Multiply, divide, getting closer. Add, subtract, now it's so. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Hey, the order up.
I think you guys got the gist. So I will be passing this out and just answer the first two questions. Like with whatever you know, you can literally just put yes or no. And since you guys are a fifth grade class, this is pretty new to you guys. If you don't know, it's okay, you can put no. You don't have to answer them fully. You can wait too. We're gonna start next. Okay, so do you guys remember what the P stands for?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Okay, we can see parentheses like this, but we can also see the brackets, and they are still the same value. So whichever one comes first, like if, for example, if we have an equation that has like this, but there's this, like this would come first. I mean, this would come first because it's the first parentheses, and then it would be this. Okay, Caleb, what was the E?
Exponent.
Exponents. But because we are a fifth grade class, we don't have to learn this. That's until next year. So look at you guys. Sydney, what was the M?
Multiply.
Multiplication. Lexi, what was the D?
Divide.
Divide. What was A?
Adding.
Add.
Subtract.
Subtract. Perfect. Good. Okay. So we're gonna go over the practice problem that you have on there, and we're gonna be able to walk through these steps. So I highly encourage you guys to write Pemdas on the side of your paper so we can be going through each step. So, looking just at this equation and looking at this order of operation, which one comes first?
Parentheses.
The parentheses. So we would be doing that. So we solve 6 minus 3. Caleb, what's 6 minus 3?
3.
Good. Okay, so now we just move the whole equation back down. So we can cross out the P because we already did the parentheses. Okay, now since we're not doing the exponents, what comes next? Sydney. Okay. Alexi, where do we see multiplication on here? Sorry. Okay, since this is a parentheses, we know that parentheses means multiplication.
So we multiply those.
Yes. That's 2 times 3.
6.
6. Good. So we move everything down. Okay. You can cross out the M because we're going to multiply. Okay. Sydney, do we see any division on this question?
Oh yeah.
Okay, what's the first? Okay, one thing that I will say is that because we're going down, think of it like this, like we're going down through the equation, but we're also going from left to right. So right here we did multiplication first because it came down first, right?
I don't think that the 2 is supposed to be
Yeah, this is not supposed to be there. That was on purpose. That was on purpose. Okay. Okay, so since the multiplication, we did it from left to right, we did 2 times 3 first, and now we're gonna do division, which is continuing from left to right. So 6 divided by 2, okay,
3.
3. So we bring everything back down. Cross out the D. And then since we're still doing down and everything to the right, we're gonna do 4 plus 3. Alexi, what's 4 plus 3?
7.
7. Good. And then bring that down. We're gonna do addition. And now we're gonna do subtraction. Does it mean it's
4.
4. So that's our answer. Does anyone have a question on how I did that? Caleb, you look concerned. What's your question?
What if there's multiple parentheses in a parenthesis?
Like this?
Yeah, but what if there's like another parenthesis right
Another
next to the
parenthesis? So we go from in and out. So we would focus on these first. So we do these, and then we do these. And then if there's like another set, then we would do those last. So we go from in to out. Okay, now, because we just went through all of these, and you guys don't have any more questions, I'm gonna ask you guys to fold your papers. So where you can't see the practice problem that we just did. And then you're gonna do the same exact problem, but on your own. And try to answer what Pemdas means again. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You have a question? Okay, what was the first step? What did you guys first focus on?
Parentheses.
The parentheses, which was 6 minus 3, right? Okay, what was the second step, Alexi?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, which was the 2 times 3, right? What was the third step, Caleb?
We divide.
You divide, correct. And then, Sydney, what was the fourth step?
Then we added 4 plus 3.
And then what was the fifth step?
And then subtraction. 7 minus 3.
And then what was the answer?
4.
4. Okay. That's good. Okay. So now, did you guys remember what Pemdas means?
Yeah.
Okay. Caleb, what was the S?
Subtraction.
Alexi, what was the A?
Addition.
Good. Sydney, what was the M?
Multiply.
Good. Caleb, what was the D?
Division.
And then, Alexi, what was the P?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. And then the E, since we're a 5th grade class, we don't focus on that just yet until next year. But you guys are now going to be like familiar with how to solve an order of operation, and they're just going to get a little bit harder, but as long as you stay intact with PEMDAS and you keep them in order, and remember, always go from down, like PEMDAS, and then left to right. So whichever one comes first, like multiplication comes first, even if division comes first, then you would do that one. Okay, does anyone have any questions on how to do this or future questions? And now you can flip your papers over and check if you got it right.
I got it right.
Yay! Okay, that was your exit ticket, so you guys will be exiting and giving me that along the way. Yay.